everybody, this is Cindy A. Lewis, and I just want to do a quick little haul video with some beautiful purple papers, lilac, different shades of purple for February. And I'm doing this for birthday month because I want to do some different tags and journal, and maybe a small journal, maybe a traveler's size. Anyway, and I wanted to show you these fun pieces that I've got from Amazon. And I believe I put them all in my Amazon storefront. That's linked below. And if not, I can link these. So we're going to go through and look at them kind of quickly, just because I know this is got to be a quick video. So the first one is the Alice pattern paper. It's 6x6, and as you can see, it already comes with some papers that have pre-designed tags and ephemera size frames. They're so pretty, and so the papers are really, really pretty. I want to show you how lovely they are. You get a couple of sheets of each design, and they're vintage purple, kind of. At least that's what I'd call it. And they're really beautiful. These are the 6x6, which would be lovely to make some layouts in your journal, to make tags, or even to make a master board where you could make more. If you wanted to do scrapbook page, you could use these for frames and backgrounds for cards. Just really lovely. So that is the Alice papers. Then this is Province, and this is from Stamperia, and it is 10 double-faced sheets. These are 8x8, so these actually are double-sided, and Stamperia has beautiful papers. So let me show you how gorgeous these papers are. And of course, then you could cut these ephemera pieces out, and they're double-sided as well. And then look at this, just gorgeous, the lavender, and beautiful, beautiful papers. And I can't wait to make a journal, and I'm so excited for birthday month. It's just birthdays month is fun. And let me tell you, I don't always celebrate my birthday, so I don't, let's see, where is it open? This is Stamperia 2, and this is a 12x12 set, and this is called Lilac Flowers. So you get 10 sheets, and they are double-sided as well. Look how gorgeous. Just beautiful. Look at this. Oh, can you hear the angels sing? Oh my goodness. Oh, and then this is an envelope you can cut out already patterned for you. And lovely, lovely, lovely. I'm so excited to get to play with these papers and create with you a little journal with these papers. So that's the Lilac Flowers. Then we had the Province, and then we had the Alice set. Now, I did get some ephemera and some stickers, so let's quickly look at these. And they come in this little envelope, and they're flowers, perfume bottles, little clipboards, just really pretty little accent pieces for your tags and journaling pages. So that's this one, and I don't remember how many pieces you actually get. That's that one. And then let's go to this. This is called Beautiful Day. Sometimes ever, sometimes never. And of course, this is really packed full. So we're just going to take a quick glance. And these are all, I believe these are all stickers. Yes. Well, I don't know if they're all stickers, but they are stickers in here. Some beautiful purple butterflies, a bird cage, that clock, hydrangea, a little teapot. Oh, it's just gorgeous. And a little fan. And I know some people that love purple. So these are just right up their alley. So then there are papers in the back as well where you could cut out pieces and collage your journals and your tags. Just perfect for what I want to do. And some little mini tags already put together. Your little tickets and stamps. And then some little papers in the back here. Just really, really pretty. So that's that set. Okay, this is the last set. It all came in one piece, packaging together. There's papers, there's little cards, there's more and more and more. All right, so let's take a look. So these are, I believe they're vellum pieces. Let's take a look. There's just so much here. It's just beautiful. And yes, that's what these are. So let's get them out of that sleeve. And you can see how pretty these pieces are. They would be lovely in like a peek window, a pocket, or a card even. So gorgeous. And then look at this. I mean, these are really pretty, guys. I don't think you can really tell. I don't think you can get the full effect on here with just the camera. And then these also seem to be vellum. Yep. So look at these. Just beautiful. Won't these be fun to play with? Oh my goodness. And then here, I believe these are, just got such a variety in this packet. So let's get it open. And then these are all blue stickers or little papers. And it has like the girl in there, flowers, just give you a quick look here for how cute these are. And then it came with more ephemera, papers. That's a little frame, that's cute, little tags. So those little packets all seem to come with similar things, but the theme is just gorgeous with these purple. These are stickers, and just will blend into the background the way they're created. So pretty. I know you can't really see as well. Now this has just different flowers. It doesn't kind of follow the purple theme as much, but it has just different flowers and pieces. There's a lot here. It's called Flower Window Street. This one is some papers. Let's see if we can get this off easy. I'll just have to. These women and butterflies, the Eiffel Tower, feathers, writing, you know, they're very vintage with the frame around them. Just really pretty. And then lastly is this pad here. And I believe this is going to follow the flower theme, but the different purple shades of purple, lilac, lavender. So pretty. Anyway, I can't wait to work with this to create a journal for February that celebrates birthday month with all these lovely papers and ephemera and stickers. So I hope that you can hang with me this month. It's birthday month, so don't forget to go over to the birthday month video and make sure you enter. I've linked it below to go straight to it. So thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.